A closer look 1. 3. Listen and write the words you hear in the appropriate column. Then, read the words aloud.
Unit 9. Page 28. A closer look 1. Activity 3. Listen and write the words you hear in the appropriate column. Then read the words aloud.
1. Cold. 2. Sky. 3. Exciting. 4. Snow. 5. Old. 6. High. 7. Clothes. 8. Fine. 9. Hold. 10. Flight.
Four. Listen and repeat.
Unit 9. Page 28. A closer look 1. Activity 4. Listen and repeat.
1. New York is an exciting city with many skyscrapers.
2. It's very cold in Sweden in the winter, with lots of snow.
3. I like looking at tall buildings at night with their colourful lights.
4. Write and tell me how to cook that Thai curry.
5. You can go boating on the West Lake. It's nice.
6. Oxford University is the oldest university in Britain.